Hi loves, welcome to Nusha Styles. In today's video, guys, by the way, is your first time in my channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button. I had to take my time there because sometimes I speak too fast. So that red button that says subscribe, please do so. We're going to be making more fashion and beauty videos in this channel. It looks like that my old audience prefer that type of videos. We're gonna go back to that. We already have some videos that are recorded and I'll release that to this channel. However, the main focus will be more beauty and fashion, because to be truly honest, that's where my passion lies. Guys, I am simply applying makeup today, everyday makeup for dark skinned women, if you girlies, you can understand that, like, this is what we do every day. Basic makeup. We can walk around with the bare face, but I like to be put together all the time. Even if I'm wearing a casual hoodie, I like to have some type of makeup or eyeliner or some mascara. I'm not big in terms of like the fake lashes, although I actually was trying to open a business selling lashes. I still have got 500 actually pairs of mink lashes that I was going to open a website. But back to the video. Yeah, guys, so here is all affordable makeup. This concealer shown you guys, I picked up from Primark, and the MUA is the foundation that I'm using here. Actually, that bottle was empty. I mean, there's some stuff there that some smidgy, that can still trying to get it out the bottle, but I need to go and purchase a new one because that is just my everyday, and my complexion is like a kind of yellow undertone. A lot of the foundations tend to be a bit like mono red, sort of a undertone type of however, here I try to mix foundation. Sometimes it does work, a lot of the time it doesn't, and I neutralize that with a powder. Sometimes like a darker powder than the banana powder will be like more the bronze, like not terracotta, but that brown chocolate, and it kind of sort of at the end everything comes together just fine. Guys, like I said, I hope you're doing well. Subscribe to this channel. We're gonna be talking about more hygiene, things that I love pampering myself. I've got an array of products that I keep saying I'm gonna share with my audience, and I should do that because obviously, as much as I love cooking and decorating the home, I got some videos coming up for that. Some of you have been following my the channel and know that I changed the kitchen and the bathroom, and I'm about to make a reveal as well. You guys probably are curious, but those videos didn't get much traction as well, which is kind of bizarre. Who doesn't like transformation, new kitchen, new bathroom? But let's just see what happens there. But I want to start making videos also because this is what I do every day. I'll be getting out the house, pretty much every day, and the girl is over here not looking basic. I heard once that if you are always casual, you're gonna end up in casualty. So guys, and that is something that don't want to happen to me or to you. If you follow my channel, we're going to look cute in a daily basis. Subscribe to the channel. Affordable. I've got luxury products. Sometimes I really don't like to show my luxury stuff. Even I have this personality, but I don't like to show it really. But we're gonna I'll be sharing things that I've got, and maybe do a collection in terms of showing you my collection and things like that of the luxury products, fragrances and things like that, because I need to actually dig out a lot of the items that I just had in, shopping bags. I worked for Chanel. I had so many products. I've got a lot of friends that work for different brands as well, luxury brands. For many years, I was in Selfridges working, gosh, over 10 years. I worked in there. I gathered a lot of luxury products and fashion. So I just feel the need to really, guys, get back to the game in terms of sharing what I love doing, which is getting ready. That feminine side of me is always, and yeah, that's what I want to say basically. But like I said, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Did you guys see that Kiko Milano mascara? I love even just the packaging. How cute is that? It's so cute, guys. I'm kind of lazy to wear lashes. I remember many years ago I had got the hang of it. I literally, within 2 minutes or less than that, I had my lashes on fleek. But it got to the point that, my friend, I now have to struggle because I kind of unlearned those abilities and skills that I kind of sort of a mastered. But here I am, looking all basic but not basic really, do you know what I'm saying? And we're heading somewhere, and we're going to be put together, just showing you guys how I style this basic look, so it's not too basic. Versace high top. So I've got some leggings, easy. Today was meant to be cold, but again, it was kind of windy. We're gonna wear some baseball hats, and the leather jacket from Zara. I've thrifted this jacket, and it's a bit damaged, like around the collar, but because it's kind of sort of a faux leather, people really not going to be able to sort of I actually thrifted that on Vinted. How cute is that? I thought it's so rock and roll, so funky. I can wear with so many things. I mean, today I chose to dress like this. Just I need a pair of leggings and pairing it up here with my Dior sunglasses, and basic but not basic, high and low. Gucci vintage bag that I had for many years. I had 3 of those. I sold the rest on eBay a few years back. And yeah, this is the look, guys. Just comment, let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching.